to my YouTube channel once again. So in this video I'll be talking about a platform that I have been performing tasks on daily basis. So what you do basically when you sign up and become a member of this platform where you work to earn money on daily basis online. So what you'll be doing is to like videos on YouTube or Facebook or Twitter, depending on the social media handle you want to make use of. So now I'll be showing you how to perform tasks and also how to withdraw your money and the conditions attached to the withdrawal process. Now how you start is by signing up. I'll be dropping a link in the description of this video. So and when you sign up, you can be able to log in and start performing tasks on daily basis. So as a free member, what you earn FIP0 member is $4 on daily basis. So when you complete 2 tasks, you earn $4. When you complete 2 tasks, you earn $4. Now, when you want to perform tasks, what you need to do is to simply come to this place. As you see this task center, see this task center now. So immediately you are here, you now come to this, you choose any of this. You can choose to make use of this or YouTube or Instagram or even Facebook platform. So depending on your choice of social media handle you wish to make use of to perform this task, so you can decide to go for that. Now let's go to the task center and take a practical example of what to do when you are on your dashboard to perform tasks. So once you are here, what you need to do is to click on YouTube, assuming you want to make use of YouTube. So it will bring you to this place. So as you can see, there are a list of task options that are available here for performance, but for the sake of the plan that we are operating, so because of the limitation, you cannot be able to take this task now, which is $3 per task, $3 per task. These ones with $3 per task are not obtainable as a VIP member. That means you cannot take this task without upgrading. So now what you have to do is to scroll down and look out for the ones that within the range of $2, so that the maximum amount you can be able to earn on daily basis is $4. So that is how it works. Now when you are here, you can locate this one is having $2 as the profit, and also this one $2 as a profit. Now to take this tax, you click on take. So you click on take twice, click here and you click here. So for the fact that I've already performed task today before recording this video, it is not allowing me to take another task, but I will show you how it works. So when you click on this take, it will write successful. Then you come to this one and click take again, it will also write successful. Then the next thing you're going to do is to click on this ordinary. So you click on ordinary to go back. So you click on ordinary to go back. So when you've gone back to the home page, you locate this particular option that is saying record. So you locate this option that is saying record right here. So record is done right here. So this is record here. You have to do is click on this record. So when I click on record, you can be able to see the task progress, the ones that are in progress, those 2 tasks that you've already accepted that you're going to perform. It will show up here. First one will be here, then second one will be here. Now the next thing you're going to do is to click on this so let's look out for the ones that have actually performed So what you have to do is to come to this place. You will see an icon like um like record. You will see an icon that is like link. You click on that link icon, it will take you to a Facebook page, YouTube page, where you will like. All you need to do is to simply click on like and screenshot that video. Immediately you screenshot it, you go back, you come to this page again, you will locate upload here. You will see an icon for upload. You click on it. This is the position where it is going to be found. Now when you click on it, it will take you straight to your picture list where you screenshotted the picture. You select that one you screenshotted, and then once you selected it, it will upload by itself. Now you do that for the second one, and you first click here, and it will take you to the picture, to the YouTube channel. You don't need to watch the video. All you need to do is to when the video finish loading, you simply click on like, then screenshot the video, come back and click this particular part and upload it. It will write upload successful. Now when you are done with that, it will move to this place for review, then finally to get to pass. And if you not perform the task very well, you experience fail. So that is how it works. Now once you finish performing your task and you want to check the balance you have, whether it has reflected within few minutes, you simply need to come to my. So you click on my now. So you can be able to see I have been able to accumulate $73 right here. So when you look at my earning progress, you will see that I've accumulated $73, and the minimum withdrawal you can be able to take out of this platform, if you want to withdraw using your crypto wallet address, is $100. So if you want to withdraw, you simply need to earn till you get $100, then you can withdraw. So, and if you want to upgrade, you can also do that by simply upgrading to VIP1, where you begin to take $3 task per task. For 6 tasks, you'll be earning 3 times 6, which is $18 on daily basis. Now for withdrawal, you can either make use of direct withdrawal to crypto wallet, or you can take your earnings in form of airtime, but that option is discouraging because what you'll be getting in return will be very cheap and small. So, and the minimum withdrawal you can take if you are using airtime recharge is $20, which might not even afford you much. So within 5 days you will be withdrawing the airtime if you want to convert it to airtime, but I don't suggest you do that. You can decide to be patient with the earning process till you get to the minimum withdrawal, or you can choose to also use it and upgrade to higher plan where you begin to earn massively. So, and one thing with this platform is that you can be able to use your earnings to upgrade, unlike many other platforms where you might not really have the opportunity or the access to do that. So for you to withdraw, you simply need to click on this icon that is close to available balance. So behind it you have it. So you click on it, this little icon here. You can be able to view your withdrawal and deposit option. So if you want to deposit, you make use of this, but you can decide to earn and test the platform first. If it is worth investing your money, you can go by that. So, but I don't suggest you do that now currently. So try and earn, or you can decide if you have the money. So always ensure you are willing to deposit or recharge any amount that you can afford to bear with if you lose the money. So To withdraw your money, you simply need to make use of this icon behind you, available balance. So when I click on this available balance, it will bring me to this. I can be able to put my total balance here. So I can be able to put the balance that I have. If I have earned up to $100, which is the minimum withdrawal, I can insert it here. Then go to my TRC, set up the trust the address, wallet address setup. I can click here and set it up. Then transaction password, I can also set it up and then submit for approval. Then after some time I can be able to receive my money. Now for me to go back, let me show you the other way you can be able to withdraw from this platform. So when you go to this my task or you can be able to see this shop. So for you to withdraw again using another option, you can come to this shop and click on shop. So when you click on shop, you can be able to see Nigeria in the first list. So the Nigerian option for withdrawal using airtime method is here. So it's just phone recharge, but it's very cheap, guys. It's very cheap. I don't think it's up to 2000 airtime, so it should be close to 2000. Imagine exchanging 2000 naira airtime with $20, which is very wasteful. So I don't suggest you use this method. Try and earn to the minimum withdrawal volume that you need, or you can decide to earn till you make an upgrade. I will also show you how to upgrade or different plans available on this platform. So that is how you can make use of this option for withdrawal. Also, let's go back as I show you the other method for upgrade. So when you come to task, you need upgrade. You can come to task, which is the second to home. You can see this is our current membership level, which is ordinary. Then if you want to get $6 6 task per day, you can upgrade to VIP1, which will cost you 200 naira. All you have to do is to simply sign up and in, and also decide to top up if you want to upgrade faster, or you can decide to earn till you get to 200 dollars. You can use it and upgrade. So for you to upgrade, you simply need to click on upgrade. On this VIP, there is upgrade here. You can click on it, and you can either choose to make use of your balance, which is one thing that made this place most nice, because using other platforms that I've been working with, I hardly see this option of using balance to recharge or USDT to recharge. So if I want to use my balance to recharge, I can select this first one, assuming I have earned up to $200. So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on confirm. So when I click on confirm, so I don't know, let me just show you. This is option for balance recharge, and this is option for USDT recharge if you want to directly recharge with your crypto address. So that is how you do it. You confirm it right here and you wait for it to load. So when I try it now, so you can see my balance is insufficient, assuming I have up to 200 USDT as my end balance. I can be able to use it and upgrade and start earning on daily basis massively, and I can be able to take 6 tasks instead of 2 tasks. And this 6 tasks, you can take $3 per task, and imagine taking 3 times 6, which is $18 on daily basis, and the minimum withdrawal is 100. So you can be able to make massive money using this platform. So, and I recommend you work with them as a free member first. Then you can be able to, or if you have the money, you can decide to earn a little and top it up to get your upgrade to start earning on this platform. So as you can see, there are other options for plans. So if you have up to this, you can go for this, or one can decide to go for this. So but the work requirement differs this place you review by watching the video and like. So depending on the task option you want or the amount you desire to be making on this platform, you can decide to go for that. So but the most recommended option is the first one. Or so if you are upgrading, you first need to use this VIP1 to test how efficient it is, or how beneficial the platform is if you are to work with them. So that is how it works here. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. What I do basically here is to show you various methods whereby one can earn money online as long as you have an Android phone. So you are eligible to work online, and be patient with the process while you take your task that is demanded from you. Then you can be able to make money online. A lot of people are making huge money by their consistency online, and they are paying the price, and the reward is coming in return. So what I do basically here is to bring tips on how to make money online. Now suggest how you can do it and guide you on how to do it. So that is what I do here, and you can subscribe to my channel for more updates on daily basis, for I drop videos on regular basis here. So if you have not been able to go through the videos I've made or I've published on this channel, you can simply scroll through so and watch different videos that I've actually made to know the one that you're going to benefit from, and start from there. So you can start with this one and also look out for the paid ones too, where you might likely get to be paid faster. So that is how it works. That is how it works, guys. So thank you for watching. To copy your referral code, you can simply click here to refer friends. So you can do that to benefit the more. And you can also locate the VIP membership using this option here. So that is how it works, guys. So thank you for watching. God bless.